Welcome back to another video, and if you're not subscribed yet, go and subscribe down below. And I never said this on this channel, but I'm also in another channel called MS3, and we recently made Valentine cards, blindfolded. This is my card that I made blindfolded, not that good, but I'm gonna redo this card so I can give it to Megan. So I have another card that I'm gonna redo. It's gonna be the same idea, pictures and all that. This is an easy, fast, last minute DIY for Valentine's Day to make for a card, yeah. So let's get to it. First you need your paper, then you need your pictures, and a glue stick. So I'm gonna organize the pictures out. I put them in black and white because black and white is like old. These are all older pictures of me, Megan, some funny ones from school, and just like fun selfies that we took. So I have it all organized out. I'm gonna glue it down the page like this on the side. And I'm gonna leave the space open for the edges because that is gonna be something. Now that you have them all glued down, I'm gonna take some ribbon and glue it down the edge. And then cut it. So you have your ribbon. And this you'd probably want to hot glue down. Now that you have this glued down, I also made a bow that I'm gonna glue on later for the top to make it really cute. But first I'm gonna work on the inside of the card. And I always get a lot of notepads of paper and they have nice lines on them, so why not use the lines to write something and then glue it on so that it won't be all over the place. So I'm gonna write first what I want on the card and then glue it on. I finished this, I cut it down into the size I want it to fit into here. And now I'm gonna glue it on. And glue it straight in the center of the page. There you go. So now I'm gonna finish, add some stickers to it. Some flower stickers. So I added all the flower stickers onto it. You need to add the bow on, and then I'll be done. I'm finally finished with this easy DIY Valentine card you can make for your friend, for your best friend, whatever you want. Really easy to make, last minute, way better than this one. So again, if you haven't watched this video yet, I'll link it down below, and please go and subscribe to us. And we also have other Valentine videos that I'll link down below as well that you can go watch. Just check out our channel, go tell people about it. And I love you guys. Bye.